I wanna show you how to make the motion effect to the photos in Premiere Pro. Let's go! I have already added my star to the timeline and I wanna add some motion. We are going to start with the easy pen movement. First of all, go to the FX control and increase the zoom. Click on the position to create the stopwatch icon, and using the X, just move your image to the left position. Move your timeline to the end of the image, and with the Y, change the position of the image to the right. Perfect, we got the first result. But let's add some scale and rotation. By rotation, we are going to write -4, and by the scale, 280. Move your playhead to the next keyframe, and by the rotation, write 4. Everything is ready, let's see the result. Help to grow this channel, put your like and subscribe.